Hello and welcome to the Plant Organ System Part 2 revision video from scienceworksheets.co.uk. Please like, subscribe and comment to support the channel. An organ system contains organs working together to carry out a function for an organism. The organ system of a plant is the whole body of a plant. The roots, stem and leaves are all organs. All three of these organs will work together to form a plant organ system for the transport of substances around the plant. This is an image of a cross-section of a stem. So this is where you've cut horizontally across the stem and then you're looking down onto it. And the stem contains vascular bundles. These vascular bundles will contain both xylem tissue and phloem tissue. Xylem tissue is made up of xylem vessels. Xylem vessels transport water and mineral ions from the roots to the stem and leaves. Xylem is a hollow tube which is strengthened by lignin. Xylem is adapted for the transport of water in the transpiration stream. The transpiration stream is the movement of water from the roots to the leaves of the plant. How xylem is adapted. The hollow tubes, which have no end walls or no cytoplasm, allow water to flow freely from the root to the leaf. There is lignin in the cell walls. This strengthens the tubes and prevents them collapsing under pressure. It also helps to waterproof the vessels. The thick walls of the xylem give support to the plant, helping to keep it upright. There is also a one-way flow in the xylem. This ensures that water and minerals move upwards only from the root to the leaves. Phloem tissue is made up of sieve tube elements and companion cells. Phloem will transport dissolved sugars, such as sucrose, and amino acids from the leaves to the rest of the plant for immediate use in fruits or for storage in the roots. Translocation is the name given to the process where food molecules, such as sugars or amino acids, move through the phloem tissue. Phloem is composed of tubes of elongated cells called sieve tube elements. Cell sap can move from one phloem cell to the next through pores in the end walls. These pores are in the sieve plates. How phloem is adapted. The sieve tube elements are long cells joined end to end to form tubes for transport. They have sieve plates, which are holes at the end that allow sugars to flow. The cells are alive. Unlike xylem, phloem vessels are living cells, necessary for active transport. Each sieve tube element has a companion cell next to it. These companion cells contain lots of mitochondria to provide energy for the active transport of sugars. There is bidirectional flow in phloem. This means that sugars can move up or down the plant to where they are needed, such as growing regions or storage organs. A leaf is an organ because it contains different tissues. The midrib is the main vein. It contains a vascular bundle, and this in turn contains xylem and phloem. There are other vascular bundles within the leaf, which also contain xylem and phloem. Xylem brings water and mineral ions to the leaf. Phloem transports sucrose and amino acids away from the leaf. The stomata on the lower surface allow gas exchange for photosynthesis. The guard cells open and close the stomata to control gas exchange and water loss. When the sun shines, guard cells open the stomata for gas exchange. However, if the plant loses too much water by transpiration, then the stomata are shut to reduce water loss. Thank you for watching. See our revision notes, the link is in the description.